Hello, welcome to your new English Journey channel. Hate misunderstandings? Have you ever wondered why you are misunderstood? Are you confident you always communicate exactly what you mean? And do you ever doubt your pronunciation? So stick around because this video is all about mastering clear and effective communication. Organs of speech, production of sounds, exploring phonetics, vocal tracts and sound production. vocal tracts and production مجرای صوتی و تولید صوت. Acoustics, auditory phonetics. In order to survive, we have to breathe. We take in oxygen when we breathe in. We pass out carbon dioxide, CO2, when we breathe out. Interestingly, when we breathe out, we often create sounds, sometimes intentionally and sometimes not. Sounds can be studied in physics, acoustics, physical صوت, and they can also be studied in fascinating field of auditory phonetics. آواشناسی شنیداری.
Sing.
Articulatory phonetics. آواشناسی تولیدی. However, we study meaningful, impactful sounds in articulatory phonetics, a branch of linguistics, زبانشناسی. In the field of articulatory phonetics, we delve into the study of meaningful sounds, especially the production of sounds across all languages. This branch of linguistics examines the organs involved in sound production, including the lungs, larynx, pharynx, mouth, tongue, lips, nose, and vocal cords. Anatomy of the larynx. آناتومی حنجره. The larynx, located in the throat, houses the vocal cords. تارهای صوتی را در خود جای داده. And it's a key component of the vocal tract. It acts as a gateway for air to the lungs and plays a crucial role in phonation. نقش اساسی داره در تولید صوت. Regulating pitch, زیر و بمی, and volume, شدت صوت, by controlling the tension of the vocal cords. Function of vocal cords.
Cats have over 100 vocal cords.
Vocal cords, تارهای صوتی, might be totally closed as in a sound. They might be completely open as in sound. And they might be half closed and tense, resulting in vibration, étage. Their tension and length can be adjusted, affecting the pitch. Tighter cords yield higher pitches, while looser cords produce lower sounds. Higher pitch, صوت‌های زیر, and lower pitch or sounds, صوت‌های بم. Role of the throat. As you see in the picture, the throat or pharynx acts as a resonating chamber, محفظه تشدید کننده صدا, and pathway for sound. It shapes the quality of the voice and contributes to the production of vowels and consonants, playing an integral role in articulation. An integral role, نقش حیاتی در تولید صدا, articulation. Here we have pharynx or throat and larynx, حنجره. This part overlap between pharynx and larynx. The mouth is essential for articulation, allowing sound modification through movement of lips and tongue. The shape of the oral cavity, حفره دهانی, affects resonance and clarity. بر تشدید و وضوح اثر می‌گذارد. Influencing the phonetic quality of speech. As you see in the picture, the tongue and sublingual gland غدد زیر زبانی. Shape and function of lips. Lips contribute to sound production by shaping the airflow جریان هوا and modifying phonemes such as bilabials تغییر واجها مثلا در مورد دولبی ها مثل ب. The positioning and curvature انحنای of the lips directly influence the clarity of consonants and vowels صامت ها و vowels مثبت ها. As we see here, the lips are neutral عادی خنثی in where it is rounded lip rounding. Position and movement of the tongue. The tongue's varied positions and movements are critical for articulating sounds. Its placement affects resonance and is pivotal in differentiating between phonemes, particularly vowels and consonants. Nasal cavity, حفره خیشومی یا بینی. The nasal cavity plays a significant role in producing nasal sounds such as and as in man, ten, and sing. خواندن. It adds a unique resonance that alters sound quality and enhances the richness of speech. Impact of airflow on phoneme production. تأثیر جریان هوا در تولید واجها. Airflow is vital for producing phonemes. Its control by the vocal tract affects volume and clarity. Different phonetic sounds emerge from varied patterns of airflow, influencing speech intelligibility. Interaction of oral and nasal resonance. تعامل تشدید دهانی و خیشومی. The interplay between oral and nasal resonance is crucial for achieving distinct speech sounds. This interaction shapes the tone and quality of phonemes, underscoring or emphasizing their respective roles in communication. As you see, we have three cavities: nasal cavity, oral cavity, and the cavity belonging to larynx. These three cavities and the resonance which are made by these three cavities impacts the loudness of our speech. Summary of sound production mechanisms. Sound production relies on the coordinated functioning of the larynx, vocal cords, throat, mouth, lips, tongue, and nasal cavity. Together, these elements shape the distinctive sounds of speech in human communication. Phonemes in American English. Distinction of sound features. Sound features such as voicing or vibrating of the vocal cords, as in Z compared with S. Place of articulation and manner of articulation. مکان تولید و نحوه تولید و التباس شتاب‌های صوتی are crucial in distinguishing between phonemes. Such distinctions affect word meaning and pronunciation variations. Consonants classification. Consonants are classified based on their place of articulation, such as labial, bilabials, alveolar, lasabi, and manner of articulation, such as stops, انسدادی‌ها, fricatives, سایشی‌ها. This classification aids in understanding sound production nuances. تغییرات جزئی تولید صوت. As you see, bilabials, دولبی‌ها, such as the difference is in the vibration of the vocal cords in B and the lack of vibration of vocal cords in P. labiodental, such as v and f, لبیدندانی ها. Again, the difference is in the vibration of vocal cords in V and the lack of vibration in f. Then interdentals, f, such as free, such as this. Alveolar لثوی ها, such as s, fricative or stop, plosive, انسدادی انفجاری. Post alveolar, such as ch and ch. Palatal, such as k. Velar, such as k. Glottal, such as glottals, happy, p and o. Consonant, place of articulation, mouth shape. Example word. We have bilabials, both lips, p and lips closed, then released suddenly. Bat, bat. Lips closed, air through nose. Mat. Labiodental, lips and teeth. Dental, tongue against teeth or interdental. As in teeth, as in this. Alveolar لثوی ها, alveolar ridge, تیغه لثه, such as t. Tongue tip against alveolar ridge. نوک زبان در مقابل تیغه لثه. Top. Tongue tip against alveolar ridge and voiced, plus voice or having vibration, such as dog. Tongue tip against alveolar ridge, sip, fricative, سایشی. Tongue tip against alveolar ridge, voiced and plus voice, such as zip. Tongue tip against alveolar ridge, air through nose. The example is no. Tongue side, کناره زبان, against alveolar ridge, such as lip. Palatal.
The little beetle battled the animal in the jungle. The little beetle battled the animal in the jungle.
کامی ها, کامی. Weight of tongue, تیغه زبان, against hard palate, در مقابل سخت کام. شو. Blade of tongue against hard palate, and voiced measure. Measure. Tongue raised toward hard palate, زبان به سمت سخت کام بالا کشیده بشه. Yes. Wheeler, tongue against soft palate, نرم کام در انتهای کام. Back of the tongue against soft palate, as in cat. Back of the tongue against soft palate. This is voiced, as in go. Back of tongue against soft palate, and air passes through the nose, as in sing or ring. Glottal or vocal cords, as in Example is o. Vocal cords slightly open, as in hat. Here again we have plosives, انفجاری ها, fricative, سایشی ها, افریکت انسدادی سایشی ها چ ابتدا انسداد و ریلیس و رهایش به صورت تدریجی از این چ and ج.
Church!
Nasals liquid glide w y. Complete table of consonants. The consonant inventory فهرست صامت ها in American English includes around 24 consonant sounds, each with distinct articulatory features. Understanding these helps improve pronunciation and language learning. Here again, place of articulation and manner of articulation. Place of articulation bilabial دولبی ها، labiodental لبی دندانی، dental دندانی ها، alveolar لثوی، post alveolar پسا لثوی، palatal alveolar palatal کامی، velar نرم کامی، glottal مربوط به گلوتیس و محلی که تاهای صوتی قرار داره. And manner of articulation plosives انفجاری ها، affricate سایشی ها، fricative. Manner of articulation plosives انفجاری ها such as p, bilabial plosives p, alveolar plosives t, velar plosives k. You see, the release of the air is all of a sudden. Affricate انسدادی سایشی ها چ. fricative سایشی ها labiodental fricatives لبی دندانی و سایشی بودنش. dentals یا interdentals the 3 this alveolar nasals man 10 sing approximate w le r y w. Overview of vowels. Vowels in American English are categorized into short, long and diphthongs. واول های کوتاه، بلند و واول های دوگانه. They are produced with an open vocal tract. مجرای تولید صوت کاملا بازه، برخلاف کانسوننت ها که مسیر خروج هوا در یک جایی با یه مانعی مواجه هست و از آن رو کانسوننت محسوب میشه. واول ها در مسیر خروج هواشون هیچ مانع جدی سر راه ندارند. لذا with an open vocal tract and play a key role in syllable structure and word formation. در ساختار هجا تاثیر کلیدی دارند. اساساً قله هجا واوله. بدون واول هجا درست نمیشه. زنجیره کانسوننت ها 3 تا ابتدا و 3 تا در انتهای هجا هست و حتما بایستی یک واول در میانش باشه. هم تصویر دهان فرض کنید در نظر بگیرید. قسمت فرانت، سنترال و بک آف د ماوث، همچنین باز یا بسته بودن دهان، close, half close, half open, open. The vowels. Front close vowel E, heed. Front half close E, hid, sit. Half open front A, hid. Front open A, had. Centrals. The schwa sound as in the. Bird, cut. Back vowels and round ones. U as in shoe. As in put, book. O as in saw. O as in hot. And O as in hard. Complete table of vowels. The American English vowel system consists of approximately 14 different vowel sounds, including both monophthongs, واول‌های واحد, and diphthongs, واول‌های مرکب یا دوگانه. The organization helps learners grasp pronunciation effectively. Again, front, high, vowel, E, then I, a, o, o, u, u. Examples: beat, bit, bait, bit. Bat, caught, but. Komme, schwa sound. Boat, boat. Book, boot. Font vowels. Here again, as you see, there is no obstruction in the outstream of the air. Close front vowels. E, such as need, weak, secret, see. E, baked, later, say, way. Next, said, read, second. And open, my, right, time, size, 5, by, island, and wise. I is a diphthong. Round back vowels. Close back vowels. U, as in moved, you, school, shoe, blue. Next is cold, though, no, so, oh, go. These are diphthongs. O, door, corner, door, store, and open ones, promised, Toronto, long. Summary of American English phonemes. As you see, phonemes include vowels and consonants. The top of the table shows the vowel sounds, and the bottom of the table shows the consonants. To master American English pronunciation, it is crucial to understand phonemes, واژها, which are the smallest meaningful sound unit. These are the building blocks of sounds in the language. Phonemes include both vowels and consonants. واژها شامل هر دو دسته صامت‌ها و مثبت‌ها هستند. And they are represented in phonetic symbols. با نمادها یا علائم صوتی نشون داده میشند و بین اسلش رو نشون میدن. Now I have a question. Please let me know in your comments what are the ways in which we can distinguish different consonants from each other. Feel free to ask any questions in your comments, and if you find this video useful, please share it with your friends.